Good evening. It is 10:05 p.m. on Thursday, February 22nd, 2018 here in Hermitage, Tennessee. This is a short test to see if I'm correct in an assumption. I'm using Zoom to record this to my local computer. When I finish this, I am going to upload it to my YouTube channel. At that point, I'm going to see if it automatically does. YouTube will do the closed captioning thing. I have not turned on closed captioning here for this or anything. I think if I upload the video to YouTube, it will do it automatically, but we're going to be sure. This is on, as I said, recording to the local machine. Now, after I do this, I'm going to do a second one, just like it. I'm going to record to Zoom's cloud. At that point, I'll download from Zoom's cloud to my machine, and then I will upload that to YouTube and see if YouTube captures the closed captioning there to see, rather than using the closed captioning things within Zoom, because within Zoom, you either have to send it to a transcribing service or you have to appoint somebody in your Zoom meeting to be doing the closed captioning, inputting closed captioning as it's happened. I think there's a way you can get the closed captioning for Zoom merely by uploading it to your YouTube channel. We're going to find out. I'm now going to end this recording.